I've created a worksheet with some columns and rows, as you can see here. And I want to make sure that it's all printed in one page. The best option I have is to first go to the page layout view by clicking the button on the bottom of the screen. This opens up the page layout view where I can see what my worksheet would look like when printing. As you can see, the data is now distributed over multiple pages, which I want to prevent. To leave the page layout view, you can choose the normal button and navigate back to your worksheet. As you can see, the page end is displayed by this dotted line here in my worksheet. To make sure that it all fits into one page, I've got several options. The first option I will show you is the following. You navigate to page layout, and here you can see the scale to fit options. As you can see, the width is now set to automatic and the height is also set to automatic, and I now want to make sure that it all fits into one page. I can do that by selecting one page for the width and one page for the height. If I now navigate to the page layout view again, I can see that my document is created and displayed all on one page. I can also verify this by going to the print preview button where the page is displayed. As you can see, the space on the page is not used to an optimal extent, so I want to change this. I can go to orientation and landscape to make sure that the data is printed in the landscape view. Again, I'll go to print preview, and now I can see that my data is distributed evenly over the page and makes maximum use of the page to ensure that the visibility of the data is to the top of its abilities. I've now showed you how to open the page layout view by clicking on the button at the bottom of your screen. But you can also choose to go to the View tab and choose the page layout view, or to navigate back to the normal view, you click normal and your page will be displayed in the normal worksheet view again. One remark I have to make is that the page layout view is not compatible with the freeze panes option. So, for example, if I choose freeze panes here and I choose to freeze the top row, you can see that the top row is now frozen. And if I then navigate to the page layout view again, I will get a warning that the page layout view is not compatible with freeze panes. And if you want to continue, the sheet will be unfrozen and you have to click OK. If you don't want this, then you can click cancel. I will now press OK. And you can see that again I'm navigated to the page layout view. And if I go back to the normal view, you can see that the freeze panes option has been disabled. So when I scroll, the top row is no longer frozen.